Hi guys, it's Colette, and today we're going to be working on this Thanksgiving ombre with a gradient accent. If you love nail art, be sure you're subscribed to my channel, My Simple Little Pleasures, and if you'd like to see how I did this, just stay tuned. Starting off with clean dry nails, we're going to begin with the base coat. Today I'm using Holo Taco's Peely Base, and you can use whichever is your personal favorite. The colors I'm going to be using today are Holo Taco's Gold Play Button, Zyler the Cat, and Choco Holo. I'll be using these three as an ombre across my nails and then doing 2 gradient accents on each hand. I applied 3 coats of color to each of the non-accent nails, and I did add a coat of top coat just to make sure that I didn't mess anything up while I'm doing the gradient. I've got 1 coat of gold on each of the gradient nails, and I'm going to apply the polish onto a sponge. I'm going to try to overlap it somewhat on the sponge and then dab it onto my nails. Now that I've actually remembered to add latex around my nails, I'm going to finish the rest of the first layer of sponging. I did a couple layers with just the chocolate and Zyler in order to build up those glitters since I was having a little bit of trouble. And now, just to finish everything off, I'm going to go in with a small brush and the polish to add a little bit more of that jelly and hopefully get the colors on the gradient to match the colors on the solid nails. added one layer of top coat after I finished the cleanup, and now I'm going to finish the entire manicure with a second coat just to make sure it's all super glossy. And as usual, I'm using Seche Vite. So here's the finished manicure, and I'm really pleased with how this turned out. I initially wasn't sure if I'd even do a Thanksgiving manicure this year, but after we were looking at these colors together during the Christmas collection unboxing, I really couldn't stop thinking about them, and I'm glad I was able to fit this manicure in. I really like the gradient, and I also really like how each color is able to shine on its own on the individual nails. Of course, this is the Holo Taco glitter formula, and I do want to give you guys some flashlight time so that you can really appreciate the sparkle. If you want some more flashlight time, the extended tutorial for this will be up here on YouTube shortly. And if you'd like to join me live for nail art, you can come follow over at twitch.tv/Colette MSLP. I'd love to hear what you guys think of this down in the comments. I hope you all enjoyed, and if you did, I hope you'll leave a thumbs up. And of course, as always, thanks for watching.